How to use the search bar to find product on ALDI UK. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the ways to use the search bar to find product on ALDI UK. So for that, please go ahead and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in groceries.aldi.co.uk and then log into your account by entering your credential. When you're logged into your account, that's going to direct you to the home page. So it's a very simple process in order to use the search bar tool to find a specific product. So then you have to go to groceries. First of all, let's go with this one, and then right on top you have the search bar tool feature. So here you could go and look for a specific product that you're looking for, type in the name. When you can find familiar options, you could go and press on the link. It's going to take you to the info page, and likewise you could go ahead and read all of these information and do the same procedure in order to look for other specific items. So that is how you can use the search bar tool to find product on the ALDI UK. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.